Hello my beautiful lovers, guys, join me. Let's make delicious indomie. Let's make delicious noodles. So now the water when I want use be that, and the indomie. So now the veggies when I want use be this, guys. I'm slicing it. Guys, watch this video to the end and see how wife material cook these noodles, guys. So now the bell pepper at the slice. So as you can see on this video, at the time I say now wife material they run now. Just watch the process of how wife material slice the veggies. Who they run now wife material. At the time I say now only wife material fit show you everything like that from the beginning to the end. So if you want to learn how to cook, come to wife material page. You will learn how to cook that delicious food. Different way to cook food wife material go show you. Make I not go cut my tongue go. It's not easy to do voiceover. So I can't slice the spring onions. So I can't slice and join. I say this noodles more have it. So after I slice and finish, I had to put it for the plate. As you can see on this video, they run and wife material. So the water don't boil already. I can't add salt inside. I know say many people go they talk say now this many water you want to cook noodles. Guys, watch the process of the end and see how I cook it. It is good to look how somebody cook. If you can use it like that, you can also cook your own like that. After putting the ingredients, I have to add the noodles inside. This noodles get as a view na indomie I go dey call her now. So after I put and finish, I have to cover it to boil for some minutes before bringing it down. So don't allow it to overcook. So this water I'm going to throw it away. This water you are seeing here, so I'm throwing it away because I don't want to cook it just like that. I have to remove some guedeme the way they inside the indomie. After doing it like that, I have to put the palm. This is the fried palm I use it for the noodles, guys. I can't add oil, put the onions inside. And I know say wife material they like chop onions well. Onions is very good for body. I know many of you don't like onions. As for me, right for the beginning, I love using onions. Even that time for village, when they use onions they cook, my mom will say onions is too much. I love onions too much. I don't know why, but it's good. As in the hot, guys, now the bell pepper when I want use be this, I can't add that inside. After I add that inside, I can't turn around as a wife material that I am. So this one are indomie maggi when I they add, so I make use of two indomie maggi so that the maggi will not too much. That is why I add it for the first water, using it to boil the indomie, guys. As you can see on this video, I tested it. You know, wife material must test some more to check if the food sweet or it really come out very yummy. So I can't go in with the egg after frying the veggies, guys. Now the egg when I want to use with that, not too much egg. Just see the way I fry this egg because I don't want it to fry like that. Just see the process, guys. You will love it. Not too much salt, so don't add salt. If you use salt to boil the indomie for the first time, don't add salt inside. Because if you fry egg and the indomie together, if you put salt, it will be salty. It is good for you not to use salt at all. Guys, share this video and watch the next.